Now, from the downtown of Northwest Arkansas, in Uptown Rogers, with weather from Bentonville to Fayetteville, Fort Smith, and beyond, here's Oz weather meteorologist, Garrett Lewis.
May and a Monday. I hope your Mother's Day was good. Expect some rain. The big story today, the rainfall, it's moving in. It's already on radar. High temperatures today will be relatively cool. We're looking at mid-70s by the afternoon, and the warmer weather is expected to return later in the week. We've got a barrage of systems that are going to be moving through the area. I'll post an article up on the oz-weather.com website, or if you want to cheat, just nwaweather.com, and it'll show all those little different systems that are moving through. Let's get to it, though. I want to show you what's happening now and then what we can expect to see here in the coming days. Those showers are starting to make their way in from the west, moving across northeast Oklahoma. Right now, the cloud cover is picking up towards Uptown. This is from Bentonville looking southbound on I-49. Headlights on this morning with all that low cloud cover that's out there. Looking at the, let's look at the satellite first because that's going to show us this low pressure system. And you guys can see where this is. That low's currently making its way from the southwest towards the northeast. It's located, get it? Right there, and it's spinning counterclockwise. There's not a whole lot of upper level winds with this thing as it moves through, so I don't expect to see a whole lot in the terms of widespread severe weather. Of course, it is May. Anytime you get into May, there's always that inherent risk of getting a strong to severe storm. I'll load the radar up on here so you guys can get a better view here of what's happening. There are those storms that are moving in from Tulsa, so you can see how northwest Arkansas, Rogers, Bentonville, Fayetteville, Bella Vista, Siloam Springs has a better chance of getting some heavier rain out of this than, say, Fort Smith or Poto, even though we will get showers farther to the south as well. This is what it looks like now. It looks a little bit heavy from moving across parts of Tulsa. This is the showers and thunderstorms that'll be moving in. Again, those are tracking towards the east. We even got one just northwest of Benton County now, northeast of Jay, with a few more showers around Claremore and Okmulgee. Those are tracking east, and we'll get into northwest Arkansas. And then you can see how it falls off a little bit farther to the south. Looks like we've got some boundaries down here in Fort Smith that moved across Boonville and Greenwood. This could lead to some isolated showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. So what's going to happen is we head into the next 24 hours or so, here's where we are now, and let's take a look at where we're going this afternoon. So this initial line moves through, right? The stuff that we're dealing with. So we catch a break by midday, and then later in the day, we should see more scattered showers develop. Now, these are closer towards the afternoon hours, probably 3, 4, 5, something like that. These may be strong to severe, but again, the overall severe weather risk, remember, is low with this. We're not looking at a very high risk of severe weather, but it is May. Hail would be the main culprit just because this time of year, the temperatures aloft are still pretty cold. Now, the warm front's actually to our south, though. So north of the front, we're looking at hail. South of the front, you get more surface-based storms with damaging winds and tornadoes and things like that. To sum all this up, scattered showers mid-morning. The heaviest rain falls in Bentonville, Fayetteville, Rogers. This afternoon, we get redevelopment. Some of those could be on the strong side, marginally severe, maybe quarter-size hail. And then we catch a break Tuesday through the evening. Tuesday night and then into Wednesday, especially Wednesday, we get more showers out there. And we'll do the same thing later on in the week. The system may clear by Friday. There's some discrepancies in the data. If it clears out, the weekend will be good. There's also some indications, too, that it may camp out. So we'll see how that plays out here in the coming days. In the meantime, though, your Monday looks good. It's going to be in the mid-70s, some rain out there without widespread severe weather, and some more beneficial rain spaced out here. So we don't have to deal with, hopefully, any flash flooding issues. Some of the rain totals over the next 2 or 3 days are probably going to top 1.5 inches. Make it a great Monday, guys.